Buckle up, soldiers. In this adrenaline-fueled video, we're diving deep into the world of military armored vehicles. Today, we're diving into the world of military might as we unveil the top 5 military armored vehicles. From the battlefield to security and peacekeeping missions, these vehicles are at the forefront of modern defense technology. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Number 5 on our list is the Ibero SMV-20. With its sleek design and advanced ballistic protection, this Spanish-made armored vehicle is a force to be reckoned with. The Ibero SMV-20 boasts a robust design with a focus on mobility and protection. Its adaptable platform can be configured for various roles, including troop transport, reconnaissance, and combat support. With its advanced armor and firepower, it's a force to be reckoned with. The SMV-20 offers unparalleled protection and firepower. Imagine commanding this beast on the battlefield, instilling fear into the hearts of your enemies. It's truly a sight to behold. Moving on to number 4, we have the Stormrider 4x4. This armored vehicle is all about versatility and agility. With its exceptional off-road capabilities, the Stormrider can tackle any rough terrain with ease, making it the perfect choice for special operations forces. It's compact yet powerful, armed with advanced weaponry and surveillance systems. The Stormrider features a rugged and dependable 4x4 chassis, making it ideal for off-road operations. It's equipped with cutting-edge technology and heavy firepower, making it a formidable presence on the battlefield. Versatile and agile, this vehicle is a game-changer in modern warfare. Whether in combat or on a covert mission, the Stormrider is a force to be reckoned with. Now, let's take a look at our number 3 contender, the Patriot II. This armored vehicle screams power and innovation. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the EA Patriot II is known for its state-of-the-art weaponry, including anti-aircraft systems and anti-tank capabilities. Its mobility and agility on the battlefield make it a top choice for modern military operations. With advanced targeting and protection systems, it's a true defender of freedom. The Patriot II offers unrivaled protection and enhanced situational awareness on the battlefield. Its advanced modular design allows for easy customization, making it perfect for various military operations. When it comes to safeguarding our troops and getting the job done, the Patriot II takes no prisoners. Coming in hot at number 2 is the Plasan Yagoo. This compact and lightweight armored vehicle may be small in size, but it's mighty in capabilities. Designed for urban warfare, the Yagoo offers exceptional maneuverability and protection in tight spaces. It features advanced armor and weapon systems, providing superior protection and firepower. Despite its smaller size, it's a significant player in modern military and security operations. With its advanced ballistic armor and impressive firepower, it can swiftly navigate through urban jungles, ensuring the safety of its crew. The Yagoo is a true game-changer in modern warfare. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our number 1 armored vehicle on this incredible journey. Drumroll, please. Introducing the Puset 4x4, the reigning champion of military armored vehicles. This beast combines brute force, advanced technology, and sheer intimidation like no other. The Puset is a military masterpiece, combining advanced armor, firepower, and unmatched mobility. Its cutting-edge design allows it to adapt to various roles, making it an invaluable asset in modern warfare. With a relentless focus on performance, the Puset 4x4 is the ultimate guardian of nations. With its unmatched firepower, impenetrable armor, and cutting-edge systems, the Puset 4x4 dominates the battlefield. When it comes to ultimate protection and unrivaled strength, the Puset 4x4 is the undisputed king. There you have it, the top 5 military armored vehicles that exemplify modern defense technology. These machines are the guardians of peace and security, ready to face any challenge on the battlefield. If you found this video informative and exciting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thrilling episodes of Armored Arsenal. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.